Hello! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. Basically how to turn off the sounds on the watch and how to turn them back on. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the sounds and vibration option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down, find the option called mute. And if you want to basically enable the silent mode, mute all of the sounds on your watch, tap on the switch to flick it on, and now the sounds will be disabled. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the silent mode, enable the sounds, repeat these steps basically. Press the crown button to open the menu, tap on the settings icon, then tap on sounds and vibration, then find the mute option and tap on the switch to disable the silent mode and enable the sounds. And of course you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.